In this video, I will show you how to check your CPU temperature in Windows. To get started, open your preferred web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type HWINFO and open the official hwinfo.com website. Once you're on the website, click the free download button. You may see advertisements that also say download, but those are just ads, so close them if they appear. On the left side, click to download the installer version. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the HWINFO installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the program. The setup process is straightforward and only takes a moment. After the installation is complete, make sure Launch HWINFO is checked, then click Finish. When the application opens, click Start to let it scan your system. This may take a few seconds while it examines your computer's hardware configuration. Once the main window appears, click Sensors in the top left corner. HWINFO will load all of your system's sensor data. Scroll down until you find the CPU section, where you'll see the current CPU temperature along with additional temperature readings for your processor. That's how you can quickly check your CPU temperature in Windows. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.